So in this video I will show you how to conduct simple regression in R. So for simple regression we use the LM function, which stands for linear model. And we're going to use the data frame of store CSV, which is just a data frame where they tracked the number of customers, the number of sales per day across several stores. Now if we just perform this function, then we get like a very, well, the output only shows the intercept and the beta coefficient. If we place summary around it, it will also give you like the significance level, the f-test and the r squared. Yeah? Now how do we interpret this? This intercept actually means that on a hypothetical day where there's 0 customers, on average across these stores in the sample, there will be a negative sales of 927. Now if you get a customer, each customer that will come into the store that day will add, on an average day, will add 10.08 sales to that to the sales of the store. Now it's actually the same as a correlation coefficient when we standardize this, when we use a standardized linear regression. So I use the scale function to get to the standardized value, and I do this for the dependent and independent variable. If I do that, I get this different coefficients. Now these coefficients read that the intercept is the mean level of sales in terms of standard deviation for when there's 0 customers, and the beta coefficient shows if there's 1 standard deviation extra customers to the store, you will get like a 0.9334 extra sales in terms of standard deviation. Yeah, so now everything has to be interpreted in terms of standard deviation. Now let's look at the correlation. And indeed the correlation coefficient is exactly the same as this beta coefficient.